Hello guys, and welcome back to another Minecraft video.
No, it's a cubing video,
Wait,
bro.
what? We're doing cubing? Since when?
It's not a cubing video. It's a triangling.
Okay.
Yeah. See, it's a triangle. Get it? Get it?
Okay. Let's just review it. So, anywho, the magnets on the corner tips are very strong, but like, you see, you only feel it like right when it's aligned. So it's like it's very loose, and then whoop! Oh man, it's like suddenly aligned. Let's test the corner cutting. It just doesn't want to be misaligned.
So that's a good thing. You technically don't need corner cutting on this GAN Pyraminx because it doesn't want to be misaligned. Therefore, you don't need corner cutting. You're gonna still get some catches and solves. I've already been testing it, and I realized that you get some catches, but not that much.
Yeah, so like it's actually really hard to test the corner cutting, but that's good. Like it doesn't want to be misaligned, so that's good because you don't even need corner cutting. Anyhow, let's try some turns. Oh, those magnets are really strong. Very strong magnets. I like the color scheme. Actually, it looks very cool that the GAN logo is on the blue side, because there's no white side. I really like that change. It's really cool. Is this UV coated?
Yes,
it is. Yeah, the UV coating is awesome. Anywho, let's try solving it. So, are you ready?
Yes.
Go. Nice.
15.339.
Nice.
Well, we'll see you again in another video. Till next time, guys.
Bye.
How do I turn this off?